Alright guys, so the next thing we're going to be doing is taking the ECU out. So that's been located in the passenger side where their feet are. So we have to do that. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to take it out. Alright guys, so what we're going to be removing first is going to be this panel right here. Not the one with the Z on it, the one on the left side. And then we're going to be able to expose this. We're going to take out this panel right here. It's held on by clips as well. And then we'll be able to expose some clips to be able to get to the ECU. Now we can get back here. And there's going to be like two clips, one on top and then one on the bottom. So let's just take those out. But before we take out this clip, I got the bottom one off. Before we take out the one on top, we have to actually go back here and loosen this little plastic nut. Alright guys, now that we got this panel off, I'm gonna bring that over here. And then now we have these two, we got a bolt and then a screw that we're gonna remove. And then we're gonna go over here. I'm gonna unplug this. So we're gonna remove this bolt right here. This whole piece should be able to come right off. Alright guys, so we got all this disconnected. Here's the ECU. So what we're gonna be doing, wow, look at this guys. They're already in here. They didn't even put everything back together. Hate people. So you're gonna push that in and then just pull back and it should come right out. There we go. And now I've got to do this one. I'm not sure why they didn't bolt it back up. I think they might have lost the bolt for it. Whoever was in here last, probably the last owner. So to get this clip off, there's this thing on the side here, and you need to get like a flathead to pry this part up here. And then there's like on the other side, I just stuck my flathead through there as well, did the same thing. So you got to do that on both sides and then pull. So it's kind of hard to show you guys on film because I need to use both my hands, but yeah, this thing should come off now. I got the harness all disconnected from the ECU. Alright guys, so there we go. We got the harness disconnected from the ECU. So what we can do now is actually unbolt the ECU. So let's just go back here and see what we got. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be, so it's gonna be that bolt right there we're gonna have to remove. And then I think that might be it. So it's actually gonna be two bolts. So it's that one back there and then this bolt right there. So we finally got the ECU out. My first time ever seeing an ECU. So yeah, looking good. Alright guys, now that we got the harness disconnected from the ECU down here, all we gotta do is pull up on here and it should come right out. Also, there's these three clips here that you gotta remove. They're all right here. I already had those removed, so yeah, we're just gonna remove this. Also, looks like there's some clips here, so just gonna remove that real quick. There we go. Next is actually, come right here. We have to disconnect this bolt from the positive terminal of the battery. So we're gonna loosen this, disconnect it, and then, because this is part of the wiring harness, we need to remove this. And then we'll go over here and just slide this off, and then yeah, that's pretty much it for the harness, removing it. So yeah guys, now you just slide this up, comes right out. This one's just a little more chunky. That's pretty much it for the wiring harness. Alright guys, so where we're going to be going is a couple places. We're going to go to Harbor Freight. We're going to get this engine hoist leveler So basically it like levels the engine. I can tilt the engine however which way I want it to go, and then it's gonna make it a lot easier to take the engine out and also putting the engine back in. So we're gonna be getting that. Next up on our list is we're going to get a new oil pan gasket for the oil pan on the new engine, just because it is leaking some oil and the gasket looks messed up. So what I'm going to be doing is removing the oil pan and then putting the new gasket in. And yeah, next up on our list is we're going to be going to the Cheek Motors. It's a place where they specialize in like G35s, 350Zs, 370Zs. They basically have like, it's like a junkyard full of Zs and Infinities basically. So I'm really excited to go there because I just want to see their inventory, see what they have. But I also am going to be buying a engine harness, a new engine harness for the DE motor, because the rev up engine has a different engine harness, so I need to get a new one. And the one that actually came on the engine that I bought is cut, as I think most of them are, they're all cut. But yeah, so that's what we're gonna be getting today. And yeah, I'm just bringing you guys along for the ride. I think we're gonna pick up my friend Misael, and he's gonna come with us just to be along for the ride. And I think he's gonna come home with me to help with the engine build. So yeah guys, it's gonna be a busy day today, but we got this. Alright guys, just got to Advanced Auto Parts. I'm gonna go pick up the gasket, and then we're gonna head our way to Harbor Freight. Gotta stay masked up, can't catch the Rona. Alright guys, just got the gasket. It comes with a little washer too, so that's nice. Take this mask off. Yeah, there's a little bit of a line in there, but yeah, now we're gonna go to Harbor Freight and get that engine hoist leveler. So yeah, let's go. Mask on, part 2. What's up guys? Here we have the leveler. Yeah, I have it upside down, but here you go. So we got this, comes with the chains and everything. Let me take this off again. Jeez.
Ooh, the Z plug.
The Z plug.
How much is the harness?
125. All right guys, so we just got back home. Let me open this car up. Gotta take out the stuff we need. So we got this. So guys, we got this 2-ton leveler. It's gonna be nice. Then I needed this. This is an extractor. It's to extract one of the bolts are stuck from the exhaust. So I need to take that out. Sheesh. Yeah. Look at this thing. Let's get over this car. So I couldn't use the harness that was on this engine because it's cut. This one's not cut, so we can use it. Got the new harness. The ECU is on its way, and yeah, I'm excited. All right guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you for coming along with me to get this stuff, and yeah, so I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.